How to earn coins from Offerwalls on Cointiply. Offerwalls gives access to larger rewards through apps, sign-ups, and trials. Open the Offerwalls section from the main menu and select a provider. Browse available offers and read the instructions carefully before starting. Each offer shows the reward amount and completion requirements. Follow the steps exactly and wait for confirmation after finishing. Some rewards credit instantly, while others may take time to appear. Take screenshots during offer completion in case you need to submit a missing reward claim. Which offer wall gives you best results? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can earn coins from offer walls on Cointiply. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.